Hello, ma'am. Good morning. My name is Shambhu Gurung. I am 29 years old. I am married.
Okay, so which position you want to apply, sir? Which position?
Kitchen helper.
How many years experience do you have?
3 years.
Like you work in Nepal or somewhere?
Malaysia.
Malaysia. For 2 years, you work
Yes.
there as a kitchen helper.
Yes.
Very nice, sir. So many skill. So why you want to go there, Romania? Why do you like to go there in Romania, sir?
Because money.
Okay. Do you have any friends there?
No.
Do you drink? Do you smoke?
No.
If you selected, for how many years do you have planned to stay there?
7 years.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank
Have
you.
a great day. All the best.